how to add subtitles on Instagram Reels. So all you have to do is to click on your Instagram here. And what you're going to do next is on the bottom part, you'll see a plus sign icon. Click on that. And then on the bottom part again, here, you will see post, story, reel, and live. So tap on reels. So tap on reels and tap on the video that you wish to add subtitles on Instagram Reels. So let's say this one and tap on next. So you just have to cut it here or wherever you wish. Tap on next. And the next thing that you're going to do here is on the upper part, you'll see these icons, right? Tap on the sticker icon here. And basically, the captions options, such as this one, will come out. Click on that. And then just wait for it to transcribe the audio. And as you can see here, you will see these captions. And you can actually do it like this. Depends on you. Whatever you wish and how you want it to look like. For example, this one. And basically that is how you add subtitles on Instagram Reels, and all you have to do is to tap on next and tap on continue and tap on share. And basically that is it, and that's how you add subtitles on Instagram Reels. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.